Hi, my name is Alton Lu, and I'm originally from Seattle, Washington. I'm a public policy and management student in the data analytics track here at the Heinz College, and this is my story. So nuclear, I guess we call it nuclear safeguards and nonproliferation, is one of my hobby policy areas. Everyone here has their special policy thing, and this one's mine, but I'm also kind of a nuclear nerd is what we say. Nuclear policy in general tends to be a very complicated topic. You can't just say, take away North Korea's nuclear weapons without understanding the historical context and how that would actually happen. So me and a friend, we submitted a proposal to develop a podcast called Nuclear Warriors to try and simplify these complex topics in sort of 15-minute chunks. If you've listened to any of the NPR podcasts, Planet Money was really what we were going for. These short episodes about some small issues that we simplify. Writing for the podcast it's actually a lot of work. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Saturday morning is normally when I'm writing for the podcast stuff. And normally we do recordings some weekday at night. And so that time block is really when I can get things done that's not related to school. So time management's an issue. Currently, I'm also trying to find a way to bring machine learning into nuclear verification. I haven't quite gotten to the point where I can see at least where the benefits outweigh the costs of that, but hopefully there might be a way I can find where these sort of computational methods where learning analytic techniques can actually be applied to nuclear policy space. I think what really makes Heinz College stand out and the policy and information systems programs is just the people that are here and the people that go to this program. You can find an expert on almost anything because of this duality of information systems and policy. You actually get professors who have been in the field, who have done data analytic work, and you're actually learning how they actually use it in industry. So a lot of the classes talk about how Facebook might use recommendation systems or how Twitter approaches their database management systems. And you're actually learning from people who have that experience in those fields. It's actually amazing how much overlap there can be when you're trying to bring analytic techniques to the policy side as well. Pittsburgh and Carnegie Mellon, it's really cool how involved the city is with the schools themselves. I love Pittsburgh so much. It's a city that's hopeful for the future, where there are job opportunities. It's just a really engaged city. So in Heinz College, I'm part of a data science for social good club, and the city actually comes to us with proposals for projects to give to our students. They are locked in and understand what Carnegie Mellon brings, and they try to collaborate in a really tight, cohesive way to advance any sort of policy initiative in this city. I've heard a lot that it's the most technical policy program you can get, but it's also the most people-oriented analytic program you can get. And so that's really what drew me to Heinz and Carnegie Mellon in general. It's been one of the best experiences of my life.